Don't worry, it's just water since y'all don't think I drink enough water. But welcome to another episode of Cakez and Cankz. Today we are doing a south of the border chicken and waffles, the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's get started. We're doing a little stout today since we're making breakfast, and this is a breakfast stout. Alright, time to start the fried chicken batter. Alright. 2 cups of buttermilk. This shit real thick. It's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Some hot sauce. It says 2 tablespoons, but I don't need to measure it. Looks good. Lime juice. I didn't do too bad with the lime picks today. I'm getting better. Spoke too soon. Hey, there we go. And a tablespoon of some salt. That. Some breakfast stout too for the. Looks like chocolate milk. We're gonna mix it and then put the chicken in there. I'm gonna throw all the little chickens in here. Gobble gobble. Don't we all just love looking at raw, almost said fish, raw chicken? Perfect. I didn't want to bore you with me pouring in the masa, the cornmeal, the flour, so I accidentally did a time lapse. You're welcome. Starting the waffle batter, so 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, where'd the other one crack at? I heard it. We're gonna add one more actually. We feeling sweet today. And then a tablespoon of baking powder, not baking soda. We call baking soda. We call baking soda. And I'm gonna add some roasted. These look like jalapenos. They don't even look like chilies. Whatever. Add the butter. Melted butter, but then we put it in the fridge to cool off. I don't know the point. It's just what we're gonna do. A little splash of salt. And whisk it on up. Shit! Not the fit! I'm dripping! A full cup of cornmeal. We're doing fried chicken. We need to do like a dry thing where you dip it in the wet, dip it in the dry, dip it in the wet, you know. 1 cup, oops, that's not a full cup. Cool. So 1 cup cornmeal, half of flour. I can't even see that. We're doing 3 twos right now. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Beautiful. And then a teaspoon of some shuka. Great job. of another beer. Alright, so, we finished making all the batters and shit, so, it's time to do the bottle cap challenge. Let's go. We're starting the sauce for the chili bacon. We're going to put a little chili, put a little honey, mix it up, then coat it on the bacon. Bacon? Time to start the batter for the chicken. We're going to dip it into our dry batter. Looks right. Give it a little soak. Then dip back into this and back into the dry. It's going to be a little repetitive, so if you want to try this at home, just have a few drinks in you. And then we're going to stick it onto the little rack, so when we start cooking.
I just want chicken and waffles. How you ain't know I was thoughtful? Just cause I don't want carpool. I got my own destination. I'm at the chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles.
Time to get the bacon out. The team members don't want me to burn myself again, so here we are. I said, I heard you. Oh. Yep. Bacon. Coat it on up. This thing really does work. Didn't feel a thing. We're just waiting up for the oil to heat up so we can start frying the chicken. We're about to turn on this. Bet you didn't know we had a handy dandy. Didn't want to break it. Handy dandy waffle maker. Shout out to Brett. He let us use this. Otherwise, we wouldn't be making chicken and waffles. Now we wait. I'm going to finish my beer. We're waiting on the oil to finish. We got the bacon cooking. Look at that. Gorgeous. We got the waffle maker heating up. Waffle batter chilling. Me. Beautiful. Okay.
Not a lot. Now it's gonna get bigger.
Okay. Okay, so waffle down. I don't know how to use this. Should we take a shot? We need to take some shots. Only if they made shots but pocket size. Oh wait, they do. Nope. Bacon. Real crispy. Saucy. Candy-lized. Oh, I felt it last time. The bacon is good. I don't usually make bacon, but oh boy, that is good. Where is I'm not used to grabbing things because I got fucking nub hands without my nails. We're not gonna have any more before everything's finished. I have a scoop. Thank you for watching Cakes and Cakes. We got our south of the border chicken and waffles. We got our guac, our chicken, green salsa, our little smothered sweet bacon. I mean, if you don't want to try this, you must have lost your taste buds in 1976. Thank you for watching. Yep. This is the tweet. It's bomb. Try it. If you don't believe me.